Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford Ranger versus Raptor. We'll explore how these two Ford trucks, while sharing a name, cater to very different drivers. The Ranger is known for its versatility and everyday utility, while the Raptor is engineered for extreme off-road adventures. Let's dive into the key distinctions that set them apart. When it comes to power, the standard Ranger typically comes with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine, producing 270 horsepower. For those seeking more thrill, the Ranger Raptor steps up significantly. It boasts a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6, unleashing an impressive 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, making it a true powerhouse. Beyond raw power, off-road capability is where the Raptor truly shines. While the Ranger offers solid performance with up to 9.3 inches of ground clearance, the Raptor elevates this with 10.7 inches. It also features specialized FOX Live valve shocks and a unique coil-sprung rear suspension, providing superior control and durability over challenging terrain. Finally, let's talk about value and features. The Ford Ranger offers a more accessible entry point, with base models starting around $35,245. The Ranger Raptor, with its specialized performance and premium off-road components, has a starting price closer to $57,965. Both offer great features, but the Raptor is built for a specific, high-performance niche. For other great deals, like those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.